Hi guys, let's understand an important concept of finance today, diversification. What is diversification? Diversification is essentially investing in variety of assets instead of investing all money in a single kind of asset class. It primarily reduces the unsystematic risk in our portfolio. Say let us suppose we have multiple assets in our portfolio. In that case, negative return given by one asset can be neutralized by positive return given by another asset class that is a part of our portfolio. It's just like putting eggs in different baskets instead of putting all eggs in a single basket. How the diversification can be applied in our portfolio, how it is implemented. Diversification is implemented by investing in various kind of asset classes in our portfolio. Like we have various kind of asset classes in which one can invest. The major ones are stocks. The second kind of asset class in which one can invest are bonds, commodities, real estate, currencies, or whatever it can be. Now what happens is there is a fundamental news that is in the market. Anything that affects stocks and bonds negatively may affect commodities positively. So if commodities are also part of your portfolio, in that case your portfolio remains balanced and the risk adjusted return in your portfolio generally increases. Rather, we can say the overall risk in your portfolio can be minimized, can be reduced by adding these kind of asset classes. If they become part of your portfolio, then the risk adjusted return of your portfolio generally increases and the overall risk is minimized.